Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I've never been to Lamai Beach before, until now. And I have to say guys, this beach has to be one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever walked on. It's absolutely beautiful. And because it's my first time walking on this beach, I want to walk it with you. So let's go for a walk on Lamai Beach. Let's go. Stunning. Endless water. Gulf of Thailand. Look at this. Like, imagine staying there. That is just... wow. It takes a lot sometimes to wow me. And I'm in wow. This is just amazing. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm just wondering, anybody watching, have you been to Lamai Beach before? So I've been to Koh Samui a few times now, and people have always said it to me, you should check out Lamai Beach. I was like, for what? For this. It's beautiful. Let's grab another look around here. Absolutely amazing. It's about 12:30 in the day here as well, and it's about 35 degrees Celsius. That's pretty hot. It's very hot. It's actually that hot. That white sand over there, it's too hot to walk on. But just so peaceful, isn't it? Just that silence and the noise of the water just coming in and out. Unfiltered. Just beautiful. Don't know about you guys, but it has to be one of the most peaceful noises you'll ever hear. Like, for instance, if I was staying in one of these little resorts over here and it wasn't too hot, I'd be so keen just to leave the window open so I could hear this. I have done that previously in less hot countries, if you know what I mean. So it looks like you can hire these jet skis out. We got ones there. We got a few there as well. Not too sure how much it is, guys. I really haven't. But Samui, speed jet ski, Lamai, Coconut Beach. Interesting. You know, the whole island here, Koh Samui, actually was a coconut farm before all us tourists come in. Coconut farm. It's a really easy beach to walk on here as well. It's sort of level. Like, I've walked on some beaches where I had to walk in the soft sand, and it was a struggle. But this one is really easy to walk on. Here the jet ski is warming up there, do you? Yeah. Some of you must be renting them out now. They are good fun, but it's been a while since I've been on them. That looks like a fun activity for the kids to do. And the big kids. But again, that wouldn't be free, guys. You'd have to pay to go on that. So you got an advertisement there. So that's that little water activity there. It's called Water Park. So you got just 1 hour, 200 baht, or all day, 500. It's not too bad actually. Have you been on one of those before? I've been on similar, you know, like, anybody remember the sort of banana boats? Haven't been on one of them though. Looks good fun though. Looks like you can get a massage over there, look at little bamboo sort of shelter. It's not as busy as Chaweng Beach, but it's just as nice. Well, what you reckon, guys? I can keep walking there, but it'll just be the same long sort of beach walk. It's just dead straight for another 4 or 5 kilometers. But look, don't let that take away the beauty of this place. It's absolutely amazing. Guys, look, I just want to say a big thank you to all the support I received from you guys. You're the best. The absolute best, and thank you so much. Can't be any more thankful. Well guys, yeah, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right there. And yeah, look, I do appreciate it, everything. Until next time, guys, more of Koh Samui to come. Peace. Slán that. And see you later.